Welcome to Hello Mandarin Now. Today we'll learn essential Chinese phrases for visiting the doctor and explaining your symptoms, things like a fever, a headache, a cough, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe how you're feeling to a Chinese-speaking doctor with confidence. This is such a practical and important topic, so grab a notebook and let's get started. Here is a quick preview of everything you will learn today. Listen carefully to each word in Chinese first, then its English meaning. Don't worry about memorizing everything right now, we'll go through each word in detail very soon. Just let the sound sink in.
医生
Doctor,
发烧
fever,
头疼
headache,
咳嗽
cough,
嗓子疼
sore throat,
恶心
nausea,
药
medicine.
医生
Our first word is
医生
which means doctor. The phrase for visiting the doctor is
看医生
literally meaning to look at a doctor. In Chinese, the verb
看
is used for many kinds of visits and appointments. So if you're feeling unwell, you can say
我需要看医生
which means I need to see a doctor. A very handy phrase to know.
发烧
Our next word is
发烧
which means fever. The character
发
means to emit or to develop, and
烧
means to burn, so together they paint a vivid picture of your body burning up. To say you have a fever, simply say
我发烧了
the particle
了
at the end signals that this is a new situation, your fever has come on. This is one of the most common things people say at the doctor's office.
头疼
Now let's learn.
头疼
Which means headache,
头
means head, and
疼
means to hurt or to ache. You'll notice that in Chinese, many body-related pain words follow this simple pattern, body part plus.
疼
To say your headache is severe, you add
得很厉害
meaning very badly. So the full phrase
我头疼得很厉害
means I have a very bad headache. Very useful for expressing the severity of your pain.
咳嗽
Our fourth word is
咳嗽
meaning to cough or a cough. It's used as both a noun and a verb in Chinese. To tell the doctor you've been coughing nonstop, say
我一直在咳嗽
here.
一直
Means continuously or all along, and
在
indicates an ongoing action. This sentence structure is great for describing persistent symptoms. The doctor will definitely want to know if something has been going on for a while.
嗓子疼
Next up is
嗓子疼
which means sore throat.
嗓子
Refers to the throat or voice, and again we use the familiar
疼
for pain. You can combine this with other symptoms, for example,
我嗓子疼说话很困难
means my throat hurts and it's difficult to speak. Describing multiple symptoms at once helps your doctor understand the full picture, so try combining words you've already learned today.
恶心
Our sixth word is
恶心
meaning nausea or feeling nauseous. This one is a bit of a false friend. In informal Chinese,
恶心
can also mean disgusting or gross. But in a medical context, when you say,
我感觉很恶心。
the doctor will understand you mean you feel nauseous. Here,
感觉
means to feel, so the phrase literally translates to I feel very nauseated. Context is everything with this word.
药
Our final vocabulary word is
药
which means medicine or medication. This is a very important word to know. The phrase
开药
means to prescribe medicine, literally to open or write medicine. So,
医生给我开了一些药。
means the doctor prescribed me some medicine. As a bonus advanced phrase, you can ask,
这个药有副作用吗？
meaning does this medicine have side effects? A great phrase for more confident learners.
我发烧了，而且头疼得很厉害。
你发烧多长时间了？
Practical example, imagine you've arrived at the clinic and the doctor asks how you're feeling. You would say,
我发烧了，而且头疼得很厉害。
meaning I have a fever and my head hurts really badly. The word
而且
is a great connector meaning moreover or and also, perfect for listing multiple symptoms. The doctor might then ask,
你发烧多长时间了？
meaning how long have you had the fever? Try to think about how you'd answer.
除了头疼，我还一直在咳嗽，嗓子也很疼。
我明白了。我先给你检查一下。
Now let's look at a more detailed exchange. When the doctor asks about other symptoms, you can say,
除了头疼，我还一直在咳嗽，嗓子也很疼。
meaning besides the headache, I've also been coughing nonstop and my throat is very sore.
除了
Is a wonderful word meaning besides or in addition to. The doctor might respond,
我明白了，我先给你检查一下。
meaning I see, let me examine you first.
我还感觉很恶心，没有食欲。
好的。我给你开一些药。多喝水。好好休息。
In our final example, you add one more symptom by saying,
我还感觉很恶心，没有食欲。
I also feel very nauseous and have no appetite.
食欲
Means appetite and
没有。
means don't have. The doctor wraps up by saying,
好的，我给你开一些药，多喝水，好好休息。
okay, I'll prescribe some medicine. Drink plenty of water and rest well. Classic doctor's advice in any language. Excellent work. Let's do a final review of all the words you learned today. See how many you remember. I'll say each word in Chinese, then give you the English meaning. Here we go.
医生
Doctor,
发烧，
fever,
头疼，
headache,
咳嗽，
cough,
嗓子疼，
sore throat,
恶心，
nausea,
药。
medicine. Now let's review all the sentences from today's lesson. Listen to each sentence in Chinese first, then its English meaning. These are real phrases you can use next time you visit the doctor.
我发烧了，而且头疼得很厉害。
I have a fever, and my head hurts really badly.
你发烧多长时间了？
How long have you had a fever?
除了头疼，我还一直在咳嗽，嗓子也很疼。
Besides the headache, I've also been coughing constantly and my throat is very sore.
我明白了。我先给你检查一下。
I see. Let me examine you first.
我还感觉很恶心。没有食欲。
I also feel very nauseous and have no appetite.
好的。我给你开一些药。多喝水。好好休息。
Okay, I'll prescribe you some medicine. Drink plenty of water and get plenty of rest.
再见。
That's all for today's lesson on visiting the doctor in Chinese. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on at Hello Mandarin Now.
再见。